Everyone, welcome to my channel again. So this video is going to be in the long series of MBA, Jamia MBA entrance. So I'm covering all the questions that you have been asking in the comment section one by one. So if you have any question still left, you can ask in the comment section, and maybe if I make the next video on Q&A, I will try to cover that up. So the first question that I'm taking up is, does Jamia offers MBA in finance? Please tell. So of course, definitely, there is a finance specialization for the MBA in Jamia. The major specialization we have are the marketing, finance, human resource, international business, family business, and entrepreneurship. And maybe there will be some addition, but I can tell you what it was in 2020. So definitely, MBA finance is there. Could you please provide information about the MBA placement at JMI, like a detailed insider video? So I was thinking to make a separate video for it, but then I thought it's not going to be that long. So I can cover it in this video only. Um, so let me tell you, the placement depends on the placement cell. So it's completely different for year by year. So the placement cell, they choose candidates from your batch only, and then these people contact the companies, and then they invite the companies to the campus for the placement. So what was the scenario in my time could be different for yours also. So just don't generalize what I'm telling you, because different things can happen to different batches. But I can like just tell my experience. So at my time in 2020, the maximum package was a 12 lakh per annum, and the average was 4 to 5 lakh. So it was like that. And the maximum number of the profiles with which the company came to the campus was a business development associate or business development executive, which is the sales profile. So if you are from the marketing, even from your if you are from the finance, so you can apply for it, uh, provided that your minor is marketing. So and for the finance, I don't have much knowledge about that because I was not connected. I was in marketing specialization. But basically, the companies were coming like SGFC and other bank related companies came. And one of my friend got hired in SDFC. So this is and the work was also related to the sales only, but in the banking sector. So majorly you will see the sales profile more, and for the HR, the companies were there. But I would say that majorly the scope is for the sales roles only. It's about the on campus, but you can go for the off campus also. I was not willing to work in the sales, so I took the off campus job. I uh, i was applying for different jobs through the naukri.com, Indeed, or LinkedIn. And I got a job in Czech as a subject matter expert, so I was working there. So it depends on you whether you want to go on campus or off campus. Completely depends on you. But solely rely on the on campus, I would say, is not suggested. So you can choose as per your whatever availability you have, and whatever field you want to go ahead. So this is the question, and there is this one more question I would like to address in the next video. For now, this is it. Thank you.